Okay. Grandma has lost her mind. Let's find a way out. Let's go through the door. That was easy. I guess we have to avoid the cats. Stage 2, avoid the pins. The pins. Okay. Let's jump. Oh dear. Okay, anyway. Well, yeah. Guys, as you can see, I've got new clothes. I love Peter Bread. I'm actually watching him as I play Roblox. Yay, we made it. Clint Moore must have known we were going to try to escape. Quick, let's find another way out. Alright, let's check behind. There. Let's check the cat picture. Oh! This better not be... Okay, right. I don't think you can touch the air coming through them as well, but... Oh dear. It's a maze. Right. This way. Left or right? Have we done it? Yay! Grandma's newest. Okay, right. Let's go through the door. Okay. Well, at least Grandma is normal in one way. She likes to knit. Okay, well, she's knitted the place. So, I don't think your Grandma should have done this. Grandma, you are just, wow. You're a very good knitter. Oh dear, that guy died. So did I. This one's like, is there a, like, I need to know if there's like a trick for it. What? Literally, I touched it and it went past. Thank you so much. Grandma's extra yarn. Oh dear. I died. Like, I died at the end. Like, what the heck? What? Oh my God. Grandma, what is this? Wow. Burning possessions. Wait, if I can't touch this lava, then why did I just touch that lava? Like, yay. Messy situation. Grandma, what are you doing? Like, what are they? I don't get. I think they're only like little paint blobs. What's for lunch? This one's simple, so. Extra ingredients. Yeah, I knew I went the wrong way. So, can you... No, you can't touch the spoon. I'm guessing you can't touch anything. How am I supposed to get through? Like, Right, I got to see this girl. Wow. Can she see the egg? Oh. So, I am so dumb. Kills you. Okay. Okay. I was just helping that girl. Yeah. Unorganized. Well, that one was just... That was so close, but... Well, at least the nan can do... At least Grandma can do... At least Grandma can do one thing that normal other grandmas do. Because if you remember to the start, it said that it was Grandma had gone crazy or something. Wait, what? She must have died. Oh. Sorry for my coughing. I know it's very sunny in the UK, but some people still have hay fever. And you know, like sometimes people have grandma's newest snack. Uh-oh. We're inside a grandma. Queen, you need to go. You stupid woman. Why are you standing there? Like, why? You shouldn't be standing there. Now, if you hear, "Night, Mommy, love you," something like that, I'm saying night to my mum. Because, like, it's 9 o'clock or something. It's not. Excuse me? Right, I'm going to run when they all go up. It's just that one that doesn't go up now then. Oh no! Sticky situation. How do you do it? I can do that one. Out. The end. Freeze! Put your hand where I can see them. Tell it to the judge, Grandma. I'm sure I didn't do anything wrong. Jump in here to escape Grandpa's house. You think you can escape me? You will see about that. Make sure she... Blah, blah, blah. Who's that? Backstabber. Jonas? I only know Dennis Daly there. Like, I'm on this. Really random. Wee. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you all.